Hey, what's up guys? Sean here. Wanted to make a quick video. Made these little brackets up here real quick last night. And I was hoping to get 4 of them. And I ended up getting 7 good ones before the tools started kind of gumming up on me a little bit. But they turned out pretty decent, you know, for milling aluminum and all. But this is kind of the concept, and this is going to be the main kind of objective or goal of this group, CNC Tech Tools, just to try to, you know, work on our fixturing, see if something like this would even work. You know, I'll probably try a couple of different, you know, all I had was aluminum, and all I can really cut on this spindle, with this being a homemade machine, it's still pretty rigid, but you can see, you know, I am able to move that thing. So, you know, a little bit of chatter, but all in all they worked out pretty decent. The reason why I wanted to make these was because when I do my 3D carves, I want to have something like that point right there that if I wanted to, I could technically, you know, drive a screw in right here and then put the point into my workpiece and then put another screw through the top right there. And then that should push the screw that's back here when you drive the screw through there. It should push and engage that point into your workpiece. But right now it's not as important for me to do that, so I just have it sitting on top and kind of the same deal. This one I didn't even have to do that, but this workpiece is super stuck to there, so we're gonna run a flag on this bad boy, and it's gonna be a 3D carve. So there's gonna be a rough pass with a 1/4 inch upcut to flute end mill, and then the finishing pass will be this finishing ball nose. I believe the tip on this bad boy, and get that focused, is about 80 thousandths. I think it's 82 thousandths ball. Can't really get that focused in too well, but I want to focus. But you get the hint. Awesome tool. I believe you have about almost 1 3/4 inch flute is what you can cut with. Now you will have this taper in here, but if you're doing a 3D carve and you're doing something with a lot of depth, you just get that angle going down into the workpiece, which is not that bad. So let's give her a shot, see how these clamps work out, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so here's the quick little flag. It's kind of got a little 3D wave to it. It's got the eagle down at the bottom. It's obviously the roughing pass. And that's the finisher. So here's the completed project. It's got a little wave to it, nothing crazy. I didn't want it super crazy, especially on this being an inch thick oak. it's gonna be hogging out some material. So let's give her a shot. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Turned out pretty good. Had a knot right in here, but we could always fix that up. But doesn't look too bad. Got a little wave to it. Eagle sticks out pretty decent. So turned out pretty decent. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.